Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make almond milk. Almond milk is a good milk substitute, especially if you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or you want to avoid dairy. Before you purchase anything, check if you're buying organic almond milk, because plain almond milk could still contain added sugar and sodium. Better yet, another option is to make your own almond milk. Here is a simple, delicious recipe for almond milk. Homemade almond milk only lasts 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator, so make just what you think you will drink in that time period. When making almond milk, start out with a ratio of 1 cup almonds to 2 cups water. This makes a milk that is roughly the consistency of 2% milk. If you would like a thinner milk, add more water, or thicker milk, add less water. This recipe uses raw almonds, but you can also use whole blanched almonds if you prefer not to have the papery, slightly bitter almond skins. But most importantly, use almonds that are raw, not toasted. Soak the almonds in water overnight, or for at least 6 hours. This softens them and makes them much easier to blend. For this recipe, you can use a blender or a food processor. Drain the water from the almonds and discard. Add the 2 cups of water, almonds, and dates to the blender. Add any spices that you like and blend well until smooth. If you have a weak blender, you'll probably need to stop a few times and use a spatula to move things around. It is normal for your almond milk to have some chunks in it at first. You can add some flavor-enhancing spices to your milk, such as vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and sea salt. Strain the blended almond mixture by placing 3 layers of cheesecloth over a strainer, which is placed over a bowl. Pour the almond milk through the strainer into the bowl. This might need to be done in small batches. Use a spoon or spatula to press down on the blended almond mixture to help it through the cheesecloth. This process can be a little messy. Instead, you can use a nut milk bag. It is a whole lot easier. Don't discard the leftover almond pulp. It can be used in oatmeal, hummus, homemade granola, smoothies, cookie or muffin batter, crackers, or you can even dehydrate it and then blend it up to make almond meal. Take and pour contents of the bowl into a jar and store it in the refrigerator. Homemade raw almond milk will keep well in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.